Okay, so you say you are seeing everything, right? So let me see. Okay, so you can hear my voice well and you can see the screen well, Abi. So let's get started. We did mobilize last week. Abi, was it last week Wednesday, Abi? If not, they hear me, men they talk. Oh. Now they hear me, Abi. Make I continue. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Me now answer me, now they hear me, sure. Good evening, official supervisor. Okay. So, today, if you look at the title of the video, we are going to be doing, we're still going to continue our formatting that we were doing before. So, we're going to learn some things today. But first of all, I said what I wrote was HTML formatting and emojis. So today we'll learn more formatting, like all these small things wey dey inside this book. Una will never buy this book. Una well done, no. Una try well. Okay, so please share this live. Let other people benefit, and they may not they like them, so the algorithm go free package and well. Okay, so we'll work more on formatting, and then we'll talk about emojis. How to do emojis in HTML. So let's go directly to our Visual Studio Code, or you remember where your project folder is, Abi? My own project folder is in desktop. I think YT, what did they call them? YT class, and then the HTML. So I go right click, go more, and then I go open with Visual Studio Code. So now my Visual Studio Code be this. So you see the project we done, the thing we done the work on since. So we go continue today. Let me clean off these things. Make I clean up all this one we don't do before. Let me clean it up. So we get empty body now. So, may I not forget, say this book is still on sale. Oh. We only have about 22 people that have bought. And they testify. In fact, somebody commented on my TikTok yesterday, or was it yesterday or the day before yesterday, say the book na fire. And I know after this book, CSS go still come out. And if you read that CSS, I go they refer to this HTML. So I don't know. And we talk say if na payment gateway be your problem, payment method. We dey collect crypto, we dey collect, we go fit send account number. Just chat Osato in the group. The admin, just chat her up. She will send you account number. That's if that seller link no dey work. Maybe if you dey transfer and it no dey work. So, yes, I will zoom in small. Yeah. I don't even over zoom safe. Okay, now so let's look at formatting. We'll look at the book small. You see, say many things they will never touch, Abi. Now, let's work with. So, it may not tell me if I did too fast. When I know what it be superscript and subscript, Abi. Like when we say 2 raised to power 10. For example, now say I get paragraph. I can write, this is 2x. And then I want to say make it be raised to power 10. Now that power 10, so I go put them into superscript. Superscript now, it means say go raise them, go up. So superscript, I go use SUP and then see the closing tag. Then in between, I go come write that, let's say raise to power 2. Hope say una understand. This is a paragraph. I come write inside the paragraph, I write this is 2x. I want make it be 2x raised to power 2. So to do raised to power, we dey use superscript, SUP. Make I go to my go live, me na for even fit see wetin e look like. Make I zoom in this one too. You see na the SUP be this, the superscript. Una understand, just as I explained for here where e dey. SUP raises text above the baseline for exponents or footnotes. Then sub, which is subscript, lowers text below the baseline for chemical formulas, math, and then math notations like log 10. But mostly they do the superscript, they go first. So you see what you do. So this two, this thing, this sub, now they make the thing go up as raised to power 2. Hope say una understand. Then if I want to say maybe I want to do log, let's say that log 10, wait, you go there below. We are not talking about mobilize in this class. That's Susan Ifeyinwa. If I don't send admin DM since for class for group now, if you get this issue, it took you straight to browser. When I clicked mine, it just prepared the file and opened it in Visual Studio unless I click on go live. Go live is what? No. Don't worry, we'll talk about that mobilize. Osato, please take care of this question. We are already in this thing. So hope you now understand what I just do now. So let's now do for subscript. Let's say we have another paragraph and we'll just write log. So we want to write log 10, we'll use subscript. That's SUB. I think just put 10. So SUP now for superscript, SUB now for subscript. So if we look at now, you see I'm log 10. You see as it make them small. Now just waiting if they do be that. Now let me know if you now understand though. On our way they live. Now let me know if now they understand they go. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed. Okay. So another one would be this mark. Now, pay attention. I feel decide to say, no be by force say it must be inside paragraph, but at least make it make sense. And you now automatically know, say that means superscript and subscript. That means they are inline tags. Because you know send the things go next line. Now remember last class when I teach you now block tags and inline tags. Very good. So let's look at this one called mark. I just decided to, because I don't talk, I know treat this thing before. I don't talk, I know treat this thing before with the inside book so that I for buy and but I just help on a life. Man, no wicked. So now work on the teacher again. So if we say mark now, this is mark. Let's see what it does first. You see you know they see this yellow background. Now they see for Wikipedia where or for people where they write journals. May I see what I call them? Use mark to highlight text. You see this text is highlight. You see Abi? Use mark to highlight text. So now they see so see the way I even use the superscript and subscript for here. I just copy them. I use and write equations. I just want more see many options. Make I put them under this one. I use and write H2O water molecule and the EMC square formula. So you see this one are the subscripts and then this one are the superscripts. So it will be nice if now buy the book. You know too dear, you know dear. Okay, so let's move on. That's for mark. We don't see what in mark they do. Then the next one would be code. You get this tag called code. In case you want, maybe you write, you create website where they teach person coding, and then you need to put code inside the work. Let me copy this console.log hello world. So we they use code to format code. You understand? To show say na code they inside here. so that the thing go dey formatted as code. You see am? Now just wetin they do be that go just so that go fit format am well. That's all. But you might hardly use it except you are creating a document in HTML that teaches somebody how to maybe code, maybe in Python. So you can't use and they write your code out. That's all. Okay. Hope you now understand. I never lost, Abi. It is very, very simple. So may we move on. Then there is pre. Make I leave that one. I just for multiple lines of code. If you want to write multiple lines of code. Then let's look at block quotes. How do we write quotes? That's quotation. To write quotation, there are two ways. The first one is you can do Q. Look at Q like this. And I can say this is a quotation. This is a quote. When we go inside our browser, you see them, you go just put them as quotation. Now know why all these things they do straight line? Because they are inline tags. They are inline tags. If you followed our previous class, Coco Dollar, you would have installed live server extension and you would have go live here. So once you open your file, you can click to go live. That's all. Okay. So you see, this is quotation. This is a quote. The thing help you put down those inverted comma for up. Sammy, the code tag. Moderators, when I tell them what code tag be. The book is 7,600, approximately 8,000 naira in naira. So if you want to transfer, contact Osato in the WhatsApp group. She will send you account. That's if the online link is not working. Okay, so this is a quote, and then there's another one called block quote. You see them? Block quote. This is a block quote. As soon as I know say the name don't carry block, so it means say it be like block version of inline quote. So now block tag, it go mostly carry and go the next line. So you see say come next line. This is a block code. It no carry all this inverted comma, but it just come next line because now block code. And you see say it shift and come almost middle. Now just wait till it be that. It no hard pass like that. So then there is cite. This one are like citation. Let me see how it is used here. Okay, let's use it the way they use it here. They use block code, they use a paragraph, then let me come down very well. So if I put on like this is a block code. Let me arrange it well. Now, if your code they cut, maybe they go next line and they one straight line and a long where just press Alt Z. Alt Z go break and come the next line. You understand? Go break and come the next line so that I go wrap them. So you may not see the way I tell you use this one. A block code, the best way to predict the future is to create it. I use paragraph, come write Steve Jobs once said. Then I can use normal quote again for inline one. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Then we can use cite tag to take cite Steve Jobs, say na in right time. Let's see what it looks like. So you see you see so see the citing. You know what you go make you know say na the site be this. Site now it go always put them in italics. So all this formatting mostly they use them for all those documents will be normal text like all those newspaper website and all those things. You go need all this formatting where. Today I go even give an assignment. So that's basically it. Hope say una understand make before I continue. Let me know if I dey run oh. Please, may not like the live, I beg. Whether not tap they tap on the screen, I don't know. But make it for free help YouTube algorithm. Say something important is happening here. And I beg una when they download the videos, may not they help me now. If you they download them, you know the watch time, they count. You can see just help. If you download, let's say you download one class, the other one, if you just watch them online, you grab. So that may just count like still watch hour. As soon as no gree show me love, that no gift me, that no gree buy my book. Now no still gree they watch the thing online. Which one I go do inside? Okay, so let's move on. Yes, for citation. So let's move on. So the next one would be, I want you to pay attention here. That they call them abbreviation for acronyms. Watch now. Let's say we get, let me have a paragraph, or let me not just even use a paragraph. Should I use a paragraph? Let me use a paragraph. Let's have a paragraph here. And let me say, I want to write World Health Organization. Let me close paragraph. Or let's do it like this first. Let me remove this. Let's write WHO is good. Let's just write it like this first. Then, you know, say get some website where we say if you hover on this WHO, it go show you the meaning. Isiak, yes, now they got do one. Okay, so what we want to now be say, we want when we say when user put their mouse on top this WHO inside browser, make it show the meaning of WHO. That's World Health Organization. So what we will go do so, we never reach where anchor element they come down. So let's write ABBR, which means abbreviation. So inside that ABBR, so we go create an attribute. Now remember that attribute I teach you last week. Attribute called title equal to an quotation. Inside that title now, then we'll call write that World Health Organization. And then we'll go write that World Health Organization. So you see this WHO, so now inside this abbreviation it go there. So you see we have a paragraph. We only use the paragraph to write this is good. Okay, in fact, let me do it like this. Let me remove the paragraph so that you will see what it actually means. Let me remove. Okay, now the abbreviation tag be this. It has a title attribute where you take put the meaning of what you want write and then see the what you want write. So let's go to the browser first and see. So you see WHO, Abi. You see say get this ... underline under. It means say it gets meaning. So if I put my mouse on top you see that World Health Organization will pop up as toolkit for year for that down. Now what is the abbreviation they do be that? You understand? It shows say Wikipedia they use them where more go Wikipedia. Wikipedia. What you want? Let's look for one particular info on Wikipedia. Let's just say somebody suppose don't put me too for Wikipedia, and I know small now. Make I put Abraham Lincoln. Yep. So you see say for Wikipedia they make use of all those text formatting, all those articles, all those many things. So let me see if they have all those kind of okay, well, I never see the type here. So probably they're not using for this guide document. So let's see if we'll see any place they use something good. See the amateur pop-up. Wow. Okay, anyway, I don't see that abbreviation here, Sha. So I'm just giving you an example of what you can use it for. Or more, I don't want me you watch the video later. I know they run. Today, in fact, today I did drag. So, Daddy, you say me person buy you the book. Now they shock me. Oh. Which boss? Good evening. So, now the abbreviation be that. That one now aim for the abbreviation. Let's go on. What else do we need to do with the book? With the book, let's see. There is a, let's just do this one. This is by directional text. This one just the return text left from left to right. So for example, now if I use BDO, see, I can put an attribute here called direction. Now just dir. If you say right to left, now what do you mean? Let me write James is good. May we see what it go look like inside the browser. So let's see. You see, say right James is good backwards because we say from right to left. Would I understand? I don't make me the drag the slow like saying at this thing because we say from right to left. Okay, I know they show more of the code. Sorry, I thought I was showing more of the code. So this is bidirectional. Wait till be the name again. Make me self check my book. Me no verse. So bidirectional text. That's bidirectional text. So we will come put dir attribute which talks about direction. So this one now can be right to left. It will let you feel right from forward, backward, I mean from right to whatever. But that's basically it. I want to move to more interesting parts. Now, I give una assignment first before I continue this class. I want to make una create CV, but I want to look for the CV online. Let's look for CV. CV, I mean by resume. Oh. Resume, CV, examples. I want to find one simple one. We don't get, it may be saying I just straight. Just simple, something simple. All this one, I know if I never teach you now, this way now I'll arrange this thing. Okay, let me do it like this. Let me not show you what to do. I'm going to do it like this. Make this notepad open. So the assignment would be, let me increase this. Assignment. Create an HTML file for and use it to write your resume. Bush people, resume means CV, curriculum vitae. So we just need to see your name. Not necessarily say you use your information. So nobody say we need your information. Just put name, normal CV. No need of say you put something on the right left. Just normal CV. I just want to see where you go. How you use your brain. Take know where to put heading, where to use underline, where to use italics, where to use list, ordered list or unordered list. You know that kind of thing. So I just want to see how una go take noam. Una understand? This is just the assignment. Now, Osato, my moderators, may not pay attention. Osato, you are going to create a Google form. Okay, before I get to that Google form point, guys, still pay attention. There's this website you will go to, Netlify. No be Netflix, so Netlify. Let me put this thing for you here. Netlify. I want to show you how you will submit the work. Okay, so you will go to netlify.com. You will create an account. Me, I already have an account. I think I have an account with my GitHub, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Chaka. Hold on, please. Let me just log in. So, what in Netlify they help you do? Netlify they help you upload your website for free. Okay, just watch me now. Watch me, oh, just watch me. If you open this HTML, just the watch. And I go drag this HTML file here. You see this place where it talks, say want to deploy. I go drag and here. Just watch. Please drop a folder containing, okay, you say make I drop the entire folder. So make I drop the HTML folder. So as I upload them, I can send you a link so that you go fit check what we just do. It's not yet time for attendance, guy. So you see, as I just upload them now, it gives me open production deploy. You see, everything what we just do, see, the code on the online. I can carry this code, this link, sorry, and then I fit send down to chat. Now, me all of now open and make una see truly. I don't put the link for chat. Hope so when they see the link. May not be say YouTube don't package the link. I just place the link. Make una open and make una see. So you go to netlify.com. See, create your account. Go create your account, netlify.com, so that when you finish your resume or your curriculum vitae or your CV, now Netlify you go upload them to. Then Osato, my moderators may not pay attention for here. So Osato, you will create one Google form, just like the way you they take do the attendance. So when they go take submit the assignment, they go fill and they go write their name, and then they go put the link. So it will carry their name, their email, and the link. You understand? Their name, email, and the link to their Netlify, to the assignment. Just like this link where me I share for the group. So, so now so that we go feel look calm. I will go even look some for class. If you don't have a GitHub account yet, use your Google. That's for Kim's Graphics. If you don't have an account here, use Google. Thank you, Emmanuel Williams. I mean, they like the live. I beg. Me they like. And if you are not following me, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Okay. So today I just help una say, okay, make I use these books, just teach una the small things where they inside. Una see say the next topic na emojis, and this is just chapter. This is chapter 8. I don't jump on that chapter. I get one chapter where I dedicate specifically to attributes alone. I'm still going to treat it, but if you had the book, you would have been able to read it before I even treat them. Because if I can't treat them, it go can't sink where. Okay, so hope say una understand the Netlify part. Hope say una understand the Netlify part. So now go take submit una assignment to look at the assignment here. Look at it here. You go to Netlify. That's where you create your link. You upload your HTML file. In fact, let me put it like this: submission, and that's why I expect submission. I be how they expect submission again. How they expect submission? Oh, procedure. Anyhow, what is spelling? Create a Netlify account. Upload your folder or your assignment folder. Then submit the link, the Netlify assignment link, to the Google form that will be provided. So yeah, that is it. Oh, sorry, na SS, no verse. Hope say una understand. We don't learn two tools like this, so two tools now we don't learn for this class. Last week I teach you na mobilize. I never even see anybody send me a message inside my DM say, man, they don't feel solve and they don't do one website, or because it's pretty simple. In fact, I created a website with it today. It not take me I think I even abandoned the website self. Because the best you know grip pay which I say may pay. But it don't take me 45 minutes. So the assignment is to be submitted before Wednesday, the next class. So Osato, after this class, create the Google form, send me the link. I'm going to pin it as a comment after I upload this video. So I'll pin it as the first comment so that anybody that watch the video after or whatever, you can now go, you will go back to the video, you will see in the comment, you will see the Google form, the link to fill. So we'll pin them to the comment. So the assignment is to be submitted before next class. Next class is on Wednesday. So that is that. So let's move on with our class. I don't explain assignment to now. When I saw assignment, the next assignment go dey very, very tasking. I say they go small. If you are using Notepad, you have to save it first. Okay, so let's move on. That's all for the assignment. I don't explain that one. Let's now move on to emoji. Let's move on to emojis. Submission is before the next class, so I dey come, I won't go carry water. May I hold on. Oh, okay. Do you mean if you are creating an account in Netlify? Oh, you don't tell. Make I do like say na new. You don't tell. Just say school. Use school. Shebi na for education they use them. Say school. Just say school. So, for example, first before we start, make I give you an example of emojis first. Where my Visual Studio Code. If you can type this thing out, this is an emoji here. This thing an emoji. No mind my Visual Studio Code say they separate them. It's supposed to be Q. Sorry. In fact, let me put it in the. Patrick, if are you just coming? I already said when to submit it now. I said before Wednesday. Make I paste. If you copy this code, what I put for your comments now, if you copy and put for your HTML, it will suppose show you emoji. Let's look at it. Okay, now, very good. We know see and hear. You don't come out for our work. Okay, you don't come out. I reloaded. So can you see? This is an emoji. Now, make I explain how emoji take the work. You need to pay attention. You need to pay attention seriously. Now, That's where this stuff here. Let's go back to the head tag. And I remember say I talk say it get many things where they dey inside this head tag. One of them is this title to name. That's to put text for your browser tab. Another one is this thing called meta. How did they even write them again, Seth? Chart set. How did they write them? Just watch me. All these basic things, first person don't forget them. Am I correct? My moderators, when I look my screen, I correct with this thing, so I don't forget to. Let me quickly look it up. Oh yeah, I think I'm correct. So when I see this thing, so this a meta tag is a self-closing, but before that, just look at it. No worry, just look as I take right hand. Now, what did this thing they do so? Who fit tell me for comment section? Who fit guess what they do? So if you quickly explain what this thing they do now, make somebody talk. Oh yes, Daniel G, thank you. It's character set. Okay, so this thing is very important because if you write your HTML, just like the way they use this doc type, tell our browser say na HTML5 we won't write. They use this one to tell the browser the kind of codes or the kind of set, character set where we go use for our HTML. So for example, to display an HTML page correctly, a web browser must know the character set used in your HTML. And we dey specify the character set with this meta tag, this one. The char set, then we'll come specify which type. This is the most popular one, UTF-8. And even if you no put them, na im be the default. Even before I put them, na im the default for HTML5. Yes, thank you. Is it Blackburn solution? Standard encoding something, forget, ya. I like the way you take write it. I was able to read it. That the standard encoding something, forget, ya. Okay. So now for as you talk for encoding or the proper character set that you need for your HTML. You understand? They get different ones, but this is the most popular one, and sometimes that's basically what you will need. So they say you get many UTF-8 characters where you no go fit type inside keyboard. But you can always display them with numbers. In fact, let me shock you with something. If I were to write something like, I feel write alphabet AB without writing AB on the keyboard. I feel write I'm using just code. Watch it. Watch me. To write AB for keyboard, meta tag provide information about the web page, help inside search engines and blah blah blah. You don't go copy online though. So 65, for example, na im be the number where they represent A. 66 na B. But how do we write it? When you are writing a char set, you have to start with upper and. This upper and. You see them? This upper and. You need to start with it. And then the next one will be your hash. You see the hash? Yes, thank you, Diane. I don't know if you pronounce your surname. Then we can now put that 65 for, and then we will now end it with semicolon. Sorry, semicolon. Finish. So char set code starts with ampersand and hash, then ends with semicolon. So this is the actual code. The 65 is actual code. Watch me now. If I save them like this, if I go back to my browser, you see say A don't come out. That is the chart set code for A. I just try tell you, no forget that we still dey under emoji. How emoji codes they come about. If I want write B, B na 66. It no pass like that. C na 67. You dey see am? Just watch. Make I go back. You see am A, B, C. You see am? So e no hard. So in the same way, we fit use code just like this. Take draw emoji for HTML. Mind you, I know they talk say me you cram all the code for head. You no fit know am. No, you no fit know all. As you dey use them, you go dey know some of them as you dey use them. But most of the time, just Google. We know they tell people to cram code. Understand that what we want you to do is understand that this particular code exists. So that when you need to do something like that, you remember, say, this code exists, so make I go Google them, so that you go know how you want to Google them. Thank you. Restore health fast from home and other content. Now, what is your name, Longo? Thank you, Sha. And you can just write it normally. Scary jazz stories. You can write it normally. I'm just using it to explain how emojis came about. That even all your text, all your alphabet, you can write them with code. You understand that? Which I just use and explain with that. So, that being said, I can give you list of plenty emojis. Are they comic? I think I have some of them in my book. Make I look at emojis. For example, let's read it. Let's look at how it is in my book. Let's just read it out. Emojis are small pictograms used to express emotions, actions, objects. I don't need to tell you, you know what that is. They make website more engaging and user-friendly. In HTML, you can add emojis in different ways. And in this guide, we will explore how to use them properly. They get 3 different ways where I put for here. The one I'm using now is this B. Other ones, go buy the book to explore or just read them as it's on screen. I'm exploring this one, and this one they use now using Unicode character codes. You see them? So they say every emoji has a unique Unicode which can be used in HTML. This one is one emoji. Is the Unicode for this laughing emoji. Unicode value start with, you see, just as I explained, they start with ampersand and hash and end with semicolon. You see them? Very simple. Let me put some example. Let me go online and see if I can get some example of emoji. I dey come and quickly browse so that we can have many options. Let me see. Okay, I'm seeing some here. This is one. Not only emoji serve, I think there are some small icons. 2. In fact, I think I can be duplicating them and be doing 8, 9. After 9, I can do 10. I can do 11. I can do 12. They should have many. Just Google them online. They many. If I go to the browser now, you can see all of them. See the different things I don't write for screen. You see them? There are many others. They many. I feel they do and they go reach 17. Okay, we have 12. Let me go. We have 12. We have 13. We get 14. We get 15. We get 16. We get 17. Let's stop at 17. I think that's where it's. So you see them? You see the different types. Yes, LGTOC. Now Samsung phone name be that one. ASCII systems, yeah. So you dey see am. That just it about the emojis. So don't forget, when you want to use it, you always put this your meta tag for your chart set. You see, don't always forget. Now let me quickly add another bonus to this class. Though I not add on to the distance, but I want to teach you how to write comment in HTML. Waiting be comment. In fact, let's go and look for it in my book. Let's go to comment. So adding comment. They say comment helps document your code and do not appear on the web page. Now, waiting be comment. For example, now you know say if na real life, codes go many. Your code go many where if na real life, like your website code. Like if you do that mobilize, what I say make you do. If you right click the when you publish as to your system, if you open the file for your Visual Studio Code and you open the index, you see say the code many. So because of that kind of thing, because of the next developer, or when you two come back, make the code no look like abadabidi for your eye. You go need to put comments for some places for your code, so that when you read the comment, another developer go understand, or you yourself go understand when you come back to the code. So the comments no go show inside browser. You go only dey inside your code. So how did they write HTML comment? We have this our greater than. You see? Sorry, I'm coming. We have this our greater than, I mean less than. Then we have what they call this now. This exclamation mark. We have dot. And then we have, let's say this is a comment in the middle. And then we have dash and this. This is how you write a comment. You can see that it is green color. For your own editor, if it be different color, but if I save and go to my browser, let me go to my browser. You'll see say it not there anywhere inside here. You don't see anywhere where they write this is a comment or something. So you know they show now just for readability. Now just for you say okay when you maybe you put on top here. Let's say for example now, have you put on top here? Have you say learning sub and sub? It go just let me know waiting they happen. That's all. It go just let me know waiting they happen. Also, you start to drop drop the assignment. 10 don't knock. We'll soon close. So this is how you write a comment. I'm not an Ijaw man, no, not from my tongue, no. Some people even they ask me, are you Igbo? Are you Benin? Are you Ishan? Are you Calabar? No, I am not. Okay, so that is it about comment. I hope you now understand. The next one I want to explain is there are codes. There's something called close. You know, say all your HTML where you know what I don't teach you now. All of them get tags. Open tag and close tag. Open tag and close tag. It gets some tags where they say they be self-closing tag. Meaning that they no need to they close. For example, look this meta tag now. It no get closing. Now so that they write them. You see, it no get closing. So it gets some few ones too when no get closing. For example, let's say there's one called, where should I put it? Let me put it here. There's one called HR. Sorry, HR. No be human resource, oh. Not just HR. It means horizontal line. You should draw horizontal line. You understand? It means you should draw. You see, now so the writer, you no get closing tag. It should draw horizontal line. Make I show you for the browser. Maybe we see them. If you go, can you see the horizontal line? So I just want to make una know. So very simple. There's another one called break. BR. That one you diffuse and break something to the next line. Look this, the best. Let me look at it. This best blah 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 now. Let's say I want break to the next line from predict. After predict, I want break am from this place. I feel just come here after predict. Look, oh, I go put break. It's also a self-closing tag, just like this. If I put break, it go break and go the next line. You see, very, very simple. Thank you, Daniel G. Yes, thank you, SGTO611. Thank you. Shortcut for comment, Control/. Yep. Okay. So that is the thing, oh. Alpha Sato, you don't pass attendance. So please, if you are not subscribing, if you've not subscribed to me, please subscribe. And please like the live, even though we don't nearly finish, still they like them. Thank you, Chisom. So yeah. So don't forget your assignment. Let me put your assignment on the screen again, oh. So please, if you are having problem with buying the book, indicate. Maybe you've tried the transfer no work. Indicate so that we'll know what to do. Because that seller is sometimes network they affect them too much. That's why we now say, okay, we accept crypto now, USDT, anyone. And then you can give your account to transfer to directly. Mr. Mike, no, the meta tag doesn't have to come at the beginning, but it has to be inside the head tag. But common practices, most of the time they put them at the beginning. Mohammed, you're asking me what the meta tag is used for. No, you are just coming. You don't come late. You don't late already. Mr. Mark, please stop putting comments like that. If you don't ask once, they go see and they go answer you. I've answered you. If not, I go block you, Mr. Mike. No, they drop comments like that. Okay, so I think hey, you're welcome. I think Osato have dropped the what they call it, the attendance list. So many they sign a beg. As soon as they feel attendant, you can stylishly quickly ask any question you have now, because I'm done with this class. And please, they share the live, they like them. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. This is, what's the time now? This is 10:06. I will let you people sign assignment till, sign the, what they call it, the attendance till 10:12. That's another 6 minutes. So quickly do it. No, Mr. Mike, don't put it like that, that it will increase our engagement. No, it will look like spamming. So just put your comment once. We plenty people they put comments. So I think the comments are large enough. So by 10:12, I'm ending this live. So do everything possible to sign your attendance now. I didn't say they should write one or sign attendance. Then they put the link of the attendance now. Sign now. Don't also forget to buy the book. It's important for you. And also to encourage me. If you don't want to buy the book, well, now you know. You fit still show me love with the link. The link to show me love service in all the videos. You can check it in the description. Thank you, Peter Obulu Studio. The Netlify na to actually upload site so that I go give you link na free of charge to check so that other people go fit check, and so that's why we say we dey use and submit assignment. Create an account, you go see am. I don inside this video, e be like say you just dey come. I don already do video. I don already show how to upload the site, put everything. So probably you come back and watch this video again. Thank you, Oyeyode Timothy. Thank you very much. Three minutes more. This is 10:09. 3 minutes more. Glamour chamber. There's attendance list now. Where they done the paste and since, or are you just coming? Thank you, Mohammed. You definitely see me now. I'm doing the class every Monday and Wednesday. May not to encourage me, may not buy my book. Now that one they beg una put. Coco Dollar, you are asking how did they write the meta chart set. No be in there the screen, so you know they see the screen. See now, no be in be this. Now the meta tag with this now, no be in there yes. So why you there? You know the look screen. The code for different emojis. Look at them. Look at them here. And it's simple. You can just Google it because you shouldn't keep this code in your head. Just Google it. Emoji tags in HTML. Simple. Now this is 10:12. I'm going to end the live now. So see you guys. If it's tiny, I think you are streaming with your phone. Oh. It's not supposed to be tiny. Oh. You are supposed to use your laptop to stream. And even if you are using your phone, you have to put it on landscape. I'm in the highest zoom. Look at. If I zoom finish, see. It means I have no go see row to type. I'm in the highest zoom. Okay, no problem. No problem. Oluwaseun. Make una please to help me buy my book. Una do. Oh yeah, now good night, everybody. See you. Thank you, my moderators. You just bought the book. It is there now. Log in into the account where you buy the book.